This low-budget Chinese cordless vacuum cleaner which I have brought from Amazon gave up in just a month. The main issue of the product was the quality of the plastic itself. And the glitches in the design add up to the failure of the product. The locking mechanism of the vacuum chamber was so delicate that it gave up in the first use itself. The chamber also developed cracks on my first attempt to lock it to the main device. I tried to fix it with some quick-set plastic adhesives, but was not effective due to the weak locking slot. Further, it was discarded for months. One day I decided to check the device, and found that the battery health is fair enough to get it repaired. As the first step, I grind away the buttery smooth locking slot on the main device. Further, I have 3D printed an external attachment with better locking mechanism, and attached it to the main device. The next part which I have to design and print was the vacuum chamber, which was bit tricky, as I need to upgrade for better suction and proper filter housing. The cross-section view of my design looks something like this. And here is the vacuum chamber and the inlet pipe which I have printed using very less filament under 5 hours time. Here you can see the filter chamber is much narrow with proper housing to perfectly fit with the device filter. The air intake pipe cum attachment adapter was printed separately to avoid wastage of filament in printing the support structure, which enable proper cleaning also. Two 3mm screws are attached to the holes provided to ensure proper locking of the vacuum chamber during operation, which easily locks to the slot on the main body attachment. Now place the filter to the filter housing and press it gently. You can see that filter fits perfectly in the housing and perfect vacuum is created. I have sanded the inner side of inlet pipe to remove the print residue and smoothen the surface for easy attachment. Now attach the nozzle, and that's it. Your vacuum cleaner is ready for operation. If you also have the same device, you can print the parts and enhance the efficiency of your $7 purchase. The link to the files are available in the description.